Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Ti-84 model and OS number. This matters because app compatibility depends on the OS. Once done, install TI Connect CE on your computer and plug the calculator with a USB cable so files transfer reliably. Make sure to archive programs and save a RAM backup to the computer. That preserves data if something goes wrong. Now open TI Connect and choose Device Explorer. This gives you direct access to the apps folder for the next steps. You'll now replace or install the missing app files. In TI Connect's Device Explorer, drag the correct 8xk or 8xb files into the calculator. Choose files that match your OS to avoid conflicts. If an app previously existed but disappeared, reinstall the exact version. Mismatched versions can fail silently. If file installation fails, try sending one app at a time and watch for error messages. Make sure to avoid a full memory clear unless the app explicitly requires it, because you could lose programs. Finish by checking the Apps menu on your Ti-84. If the app doesn't appear, press second plus MEM right arrow reset right arrow apps or reset the home screen list so the calculator rescans installed files. Once visible, run the app to confirm functionality. If problems persist, consider updating the OS only after backing up everything. OS updates can fix compatibility but may remove some apps. And if transfers fail, reinstall TI Connect and test a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.